Guru has reached a point in his life where he feels completely exhausted. The emotional ups and downs, the constant conflict, and the intensity of Rouhani's feelings have drained him from within. He no longer sees peace in this situation and believes that stepping away is the only way forward. In his heart, he has decided to begin a new life with Tejasvi, someone he feels may bring stability and calmness into his chaotic world. But for Rouhani, this decision is nothing less than destruction. Rouhani's love for Guru has crossed every limit. What once started as affection has now turned into an uncontrollable emotional attachment. Guru is not just someone she loves anymore, he has become the center of her existence. The thought of losing him feels like losing her own identity. As Guru moves closer to his decision of marrying Tejasvi, Rouhani begins to fall apart internally. She cannot accept this separation, and her emotions push her into a dangerous mental state where logic no longer exists. In a shocking moment, Rouhani appears in front of Guru. The atmosphere instantly becomes heavy and tense. There is silence, but it is the kind of silence that feels like it is about to explode at any second. Her eyes are filled with tears, but her expression carries an unsettling determination. In her hands, she holds a gun, and that single object changes everything in that moment. Fear spreads instantly. Guru is completely stunned and unable to understand how things have reached this extreme level. Rouhani does not stop there. Along with the weapon, she places a box of vermilion in front of him, the symbol of marriage, commitment, and eternal bonding in their world. That gesture is not soft or romantic anymore, it is intense, forced, and emotionally overwhelming. With a trembling voice, Rouhani tells Guru that if he ever truly loved her, then he cannot leave her like this. She says that she cannot imagine a life where he belongs to someone else. Her words are filled with pain, desperation, and emotional collapse. Guru is shaken deeply by what he sees. He never expected Rouhani to reach this level of emotional instability. He tries to calm her down, asking her to lower the gun and think logically. He tells her that love cannot be forced, and no relationship built on pressure can ever survive. But Rouhani is no longer in a state where she can listen to reason. Her emotions have completely overtaken her mind. She warns Guru in a broken yet terrifying tone that if he refuses her, she will end her life right there in front of him. It is not just a threat, it feels like a final breaking point of someone who has lost all control over their emotions. Guru is trapped in an impossible situation. On one side is the life he wants to build with Tejasvi, and on the other side is a woman standing at the edge of emotional destruction. Every second feels heavier than the last, and the pressure in the room becomes unbearable. He tries once again to make Rouhani understand that this is not love anymore, it is fear, pain, and emotional dependency. But Rouhani refuses to accept anything other than her demand. In her mind, losing Guru means losing everything. The situation becomes more intense as Tejasvi's name comes into the conversation. Rouhani feels even more broken, as if she is being replaced and erased from Guru's life completely. Her emotional state collapses further, and her grip on reality weakens. Guru is left with no clear way out. He is not just dealing with a relationship anymore, he is facing a moment that could turn into a tragedy within seconds. His heart is conflicted, his mind is overwhelmed, and fear starts taking over his decisions. Finally, under extreme emotional pressure and fear of losing control over the situation, Guru makes a heartbreaking decision. With trembling hands and a shattered mind, he steps forward and fills Rouhani's hair parting with vermilion. That single moment changes everything. The air goes still. The emotional tension breaks into silence. What was supposed to be a marriage between Guru and Tejasvi is instantly destroyed. Tejasvi is left in complete shock, unable to understand how everything collapsed so suddenly. Guru stands there emotionally broken, trapped in guilt. He did not choose this moment from his heart, it was forced by fear, pressure, and circumstances beyond control. His future now feels uncertain and heavy. Ruhani, on the other hand, finally gets what she wanted. Guru is now symbolically bound to her. But instead of happiness, there is emptiness. Because this victory is not built on love, it is built on fear, desperation, and emotional collapse. In the end, Ishq Jununi reaches a turning point where every character is changed forever. Guru loses his peace, Tejasvi loses her future, and Ruhani loses the purity of love she once had.